guys, how's everybody doing today? I am here to do the ACV rinse. I've had my locks in for a year and some change. When I mean change, I mean like months. I don't remember how long. I just know when June come, I'm about to make another year. So that's gonna be 2 years of having high top locks. So I decided to do the ACV rinse, but I did the ACV rinse once I got my hair done the first time. So probably like after 6 months of getting my hair done, I did the ACV rinse. So knowing that my hair actually needs a lot of, you know, washing and, cuz I done a lot of dyeing and everything like that, I'm going to do the ACV rinse. So stay tuned. Okay. Now, the water is kind of like warm. Yeah, so it's like warm. I'll show you guys. So, the water is like really warm. So, I'm going to show you guys the next move after this. So, you see that it's quite dirty in the water. Quite brown. That's everything that's been in my hair, like, already. Like, y'all seen the water before I put my head into this water. Like, imagine all the products that was in my hair. You feel me? Imagine, just imagine. I'm gonna do a second round, and then I'm gonna show you guys how everything came out. Alright, guys? Guys, I put a little bit of this in this. A little baking soda into it. And then I'm gonna just do my hair. See all that happening. All of that happened. This is the second round, guys. This is the second round. How much rounds do you think I have to do? Because it's not been clear yet. This is crazy. Wow. Third time of me washing my hair. Like, I'm gonna do it one more time and take a shower. That's what it seems like. Wash my hair, okay? And then I'm gonna come out and talk to you guys about this experience. I got into it the second time. Like, damn, it's still dirty. Like, wow. Third time, still amazed. So I can say this is a fourth round. I'm okay with it. I love it. I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys after this. So as you guys seen, I made the video ACV rinse. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, and share. Yes. So I'll see you guys later on. Let's go.